Ready, start. Also, there are other ways and means of cheating the common man. As we find today, the common man goes in for investment. Very genuinely, he goes in for investing because he wants to save some money for bad days. Now, what is the protection in this bill which would save his money? I find that there is no such effective guarantee. I should have thought that in considering this whole scheme of measures, the government would be interested in seeing as to how the heart of speculative operations could be crushed, namely the monopolists who control the stock exchange today. It is essential to hound them off the field altogether. In Calcutta, they can not only put up an outward show, but they have built underworld, and I suppose that underworld exists even today. A police raid took place, telephone system and the whole paraphernalia was discovered, which showed that certain big men in the stock exchanges were carrying on subterranean business. This is a new type of underworld we have in our country in order to cheat the common man, in order to evade taxes, in order to carry off profiteering and black market trades. Lots of things came to light that day, and the newspapers gave a lot of publicity. We came across certain very big people. Some of them are very well known patrons of the Congress party, the ruling party, who were hauled up in this fashion. What has happened to them? He would like to know when we discuss such a measure. They are the kings in the speculation world. They are the tycoons of that field. I would like to know what has happened to such people. What are you going to do with these speculators? Will they be allowed to operate openly or secretly in the field under this fashion? Or are you really thinking of taking some action against them, not merely for apprehending those people who have gone underground and started underground business in this manner, but also the possible recruits to that underworld? I would like to know. This is what the government should tell us. It is no use trying to bring in all technical questions, explaining one clause after another. This is important, but what we would like to know from the government is how you are going to check these elements who sit on top of the country as far as the stock exchange is concerned. These are very big and powerful people, and they need to suppressed with a heavy hand in the interests of our economy. I find the honorable minister piloting this bill is completely indifferent to that aspect of the matter. There have been cases where a person, a speculator, say, goes in for heavy purchases at one time. The heavy pressure boosts up the prices. Then he starts selling it, thereby realizing the money he had spent for buying certain shares in the market.